After a long back, I am with you, Amarnath here, and as you know that I shall be taking on sales promotions, and we had a very good interaction in the classroom, but somehow during this lockdown we are compelled to be at home, and I wish that you all stay there inside, keep yourself in hygienic conditions so that you protect yourself in such a manner that you become fortunate, you protect yourself, your family, your youngers, everyone. Now coming to the point, as we all know that we are here for the subject that is marketing. You are being specialized in marketing. So before we claim that we are master of it, we are specialized in marketing function, we should know that what are the basic functions. And as you know that in your 6th semester there are 2 papers. One is consumer behavior and the second one advertising and sales promotion. Am I right? Here we are concerned about sales promotion, and you would be dealing with advertising aspect of marketing with Bhanu sir, and in CV you must be with Bipin sir and Mrinalini madam. Now sales promotion is a word which we utter, but that if we look at the structure, it is combination of the 2 different words. One word is sales and the second one is promotion. Now this sales promotion is 2 different words having 2 different dimensions. What are those? Sales is an act and promotion is a method. So someone is there to combine it, and who is he? Who combines these 2 with a process, with a method, and enactment is performed, and the person is called salesman. And this salesman, as per hierarchy of the organization, may be called All India Sales Manager, General Manager Sales, National Sales Manager, Zonal Sales Manager, Regional Sales Manager, Area Sales Manager, Sales Executive, Territory Sales In Charge, and the salesman working at distributor level. So we should not go to that aspect, that we will learn little later, but whosoever in hierarchy is in sales, that it is expected that he will perform certain method and he will act so that we achieve promotion in sales. So this promotion means something which is positive, something which we are getting high, something which is going to benefit us. But how? It is sales. In terms of sales, we are getting hike. In terms of sales, we are getting positive result. So we must understand few basic things. What is sales? There are frequently there is a frequency of words you may listen, that is, first is sale, the second word sales, the third selling, the next sales promotion. If we don't understand the differences between these words, we cannot enact the method, we cannot enact with those methods which will give us the positive result, which will increase the volume. So, we must understand. On and often we find that there is a poster on the glass of a retail house, the sale is going on. It means that something which is beneficial and attractive in terms of monetary scheme or in purchase quantity which is being offered by that outlet to their customer. You might have seen 40% off. So, this 40% is being relieved on the cost, on the MRP, on the retail price of a commodity. Now, due to this 40% off, when this off was not being offered, the output or turnover was something rupees 10,000 per day. Now, due to this 40%, the output become $25,000 per day. So, what is that? It is the outcome of this selling offer, and the retail shop could increase its volume by 15,000 per day on account of offering 40% off on the retail price. Now, this is selling. To sell the higher volume, sometimes this 40% off is given, sometimes additional goods are given, sometimes certain beneficial vouchers are given, sometimes you find that value addition, that if you purchase along with this product that any other product, you will get a special discount. So, all these consideration is why they are adapting. They are adapting just to promote their sales. So, all that consideration comes as a part of selling. Now, selling is somehow retail. You enter into that, you find a salesman is approaching to you, and he elaborates, he explains all these considerations, and he tried to capture you in such a manner that you do not go out without purchasing a bulk. So, entire process is called selling. Now, sales promotion, it is not only that 40%, it is not only that increase of output, it is not only the all consideration, rather in sales promotion, that poster, the color of poster, the size of letters, the color schemes by which your eyes could be attracted towards that poster, everything counts, and that has been positioned in such a manner that if you come across with the outlet, it is quite often that you will throw your view on that poster, and all these process is known as sales promotion. But it is not the only way of sales promotion. In sales promotion, there are many ways. What are those? Advertising. What we do actually in advertising? We create a message for whom? For a mass. How? A skilled manpower is employed, and that has been broadcasted through a medium, and to bring impact, to bring that impact on that message, we have certain media interventions also. Suppose we are going to advertise through a magazine. We have to search about which machine, screen printing or plastic paper, color scheme, black and white, which kind of message, all these we have to select, and only then we can have an effective ad. The other way of sales promotion is you must have heard about Pragati Maidan. Every year an industrial fair is organized, and there are certain different corridors which are booked by different companies that they hire it and displays their models. So trade and fair is also a recognizable way of promoting sales. The third one, public relation. अरे जाइए ना, वहां पर जाएंगे आपको अच्छा लगेगा. पर्सनल इंडोर्समेंट. हाउ? Whom you say that? Those who are peers to you. Your peers suggest go there and you will find the satisfactory thing. And a network is being created through personal endorsement. So this is called public relation. And the next one, the last one is have ever Hema Malini come to your home and said that you consume Lux, you purchase Lux, you will become beauty queen? Never. But it has been done through advertisement. But whenever you are going to take any insurance policy, a sales agent comes to you and try to convince you in such a manner that you take a policy of 1 crore. Every time you must be viewing on your television that policybajaj.com always say कि महंगा नहीं है, 1 crore का टर्म इंश्योरेंस लीजिए. Now similar message and